Alright, this short little video clip has to do with identifying quadrilaterals. So I want you to look at each of the 9 pictures and identify which quadrilateral is shown. Is it a parallelogram, a rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, or kite? And when you're all done, you can listen to all the explanations. Alright, number 1 is a square because we have 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. Number 2, we have consecutive sides that are congruent, giving us a kite. Number 3, opposite sides are congruent and we don't know anything about the angles, so we know we must have a parallelogram. Number 4, if AE is congruent to EC, then E is a midpoint of AC. And if BE is congruent to ED, then E is also a midpoint of BD. So we do know that the diagonals bisect each other, so the best we can say is a parallelogram. We don't know if those diagonals are congruent. We don't know if those diagonals are perpendicular. We do not know if those diagonals bisect the angles. Okay, number 5, we have one set of parallel sides. That's a trapezoid. If the legs were marked congruent, we could say that it's specifically an isosceles trapezoid, but that's not the case. Number 6, we have a rectangle. Opposite sides are congruent and all 4 angles are right. Number 7, consecutive sides are congruent, so we have a kite. Number 8, either a rhombus or a square has right angles, and a square is more specific. It has more specific characteristics than a rhombus, so I would say the best we could say is a rhombus. And number 9, 4 right angles in all the corners. Again, we don't know if all the sides are congruent or not, so the best we can say is a rectangle.